Scaffolds are a very common way and a fantastic way to get multiple workers up at an elevated surface. I would say throughout my career, there's probably not one job that I have not used scaffold on throughout the course of the project. It comes in a variety of applications. I would say a Baker scaffold or conventional scaffolding is the most common way, but there's swing stages, mechanized scaffolding, there's Bozeman chairs, there's many applications for scaffolding. You can use scaffolding as a catch platform. I don't do that as often. We will default towards a guardrail system if we can. One of the most important things, paramount in scaffold operations, is proper employee training. And I mean proper employee training beyond just a red tag or a green tag hanging at the bottom of the scaffold. Some of the biggest incidents in our industry are scaffold failure. And when something goes wrong with scaffolding, it usually goes wrong pretty big. And whatever's up on the scaffolding is coming down, and whatever's under the scaffold, is at risk of getting hit by that. And it is hugely important for the workers that are getting on the scaffolding to know what the manufacturer's instructions are, and that they are trained to recognize if that scaffold is safe for them to work off of or not. Some common mishaps on scaffolding, planking. You need to make sure that you're not using dimensional lumber for the planking, that you're using actual OSHA approved planking, that your planking has a proper overlap from plank to plank and from scaffold bay to scaffold bay. Fully cross-braced systems, that on conventional scaffolding, that all your cross braces are in everywhere on the system, that if you exceed the 4-to-1 scaffold height, that your scaffolding is tied back into whatever structure you're working off of. On swing stages, there's a whole different set of rules that go with them. I would say on swing stages, you want to make sure that you have primary and secondary fall arrest, and that your fall arrest system for your workers on your swing stage is completely independent of the swing stage itself.